So why is your iPhone typing on its own? Let me explain it and potentially show you how to fix that. So if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. So sometimes it does happen that the phone kind of glitches out and that it's typing on its own. But there are more reasons why it might be happening. First of all, some people don't realize, but they accidentally press the microphone in the bottom right corner, and then now whatever I say just gets typed in here sort of like on its own, right? And it's not really a bug, it's a feature, and it's called dictation, obviously. So as you can see, that is something, or the first reason why it might be typing on its own. But if it's not turned on and it's still like happening, it could be either caused by a glitch or hardware damage of the display. So if the phone's screen is, for example, a little bit older, or it fell on the ground, or it got damaged in some way, it could cause the screen to be touched accidentally, even though you don't even click it, right? But the faulty display might register something as touch and therefore make typing on the keyboard, right? So in order to test it out, there are a few things you can do. Like I can switch from the built-in keyboard, which is the one from Apple, to, for example, the one from Google, or Gboard, or SwiftKey from Microsoft. So I would recommend you to go to the App Store and look up some third-party keyboards. As I said, you can try using Gboard made by Google. If I type it in properly, you'll see that it's a keyboard developed by a third-party provider, and it works well. You can download it for free and try it out to see if the problem is in the software of the keyboard. And for example, perhaps with the third-party app, it's going to be fine, right? Could be the case. But if not, it could then be caused by the hardware damage. And in this case, I would just test out the display with an app called iPhone Diagnostics. So that's what you would need to look up on the App Store. I like to use this app right in here, so I'm going to update it real quick. But this is essentially an app which lets me test out individual features of the phone, right? So I would have the ability to, for example, test out the digitizer and make sure that every single area of this display responds to my touch, right? So yeah, I would use some kind of app like this to test out the functionality of the display. So hopefully I was able to help you out and at least figure out what could be causing the issue. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. I'm going to wrap it up and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.